Hello. I've been teaching myself Divi, how to use it and how to create sites with it. And this week I'm doing this template that I bought many years ago in Theme Forest. And I was looking at this area right here where it says about me, and I saw these little icons, and I knew immediately that it had to be a blurb that I would use for these because they have an icon and some text below it. So the thing was, when I saw the file for the hovers right here, I saw that you had to do a hover and change in color, which I wasn't exactly sure Divi could do, but I was pretty sure I could find out. And then later I realized that right here, this was a little higher than the other ones. So that meant that not only did I have to change it in color, I had to change it, make it move and flip, well, not flip, move up and down when I hovered over it. So I managed to do this, and I was really excited when I got to do it because I love Divi and all you can do with it. And here's what it turned out, how it turned out. And all of this is using the blurb module. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy, and the icons, I do have an expanded pack of icons, but we can do it with the basic icons from Divi. Let's add a new page. I have Divi installed here in this site. Test blurbs. And use Divi Builder. Let's start and build from scratch. And let's use 3 columns. And right here you can see it's the blurb. And okay, what I want is an icon and a title and nothing underneath. So the title stays like that. We're going to remove the content. And let's see, wait, I think this is down here. Image and icon. Use icon, yes. And then you can choose which icon you want. Let's choose this email here, right here. And you can change the colors and the design tab right here. Image and icon. You can change that to a different color. You can add a circle to your icon if you like. And you can choose the placement where you want it, on the left or on the right, or on top. The icon is on the center. Now let's see. If we wanted to make this bigger or smaller, you can use the icon font size, and you can change this to the size that you want. And you can manually put a different number here if you want 200, for example. But let's leave it at 96 where it was. And I'd like for that text to be centered. So there we go. That's under title text. Let's leave the font there. Let's put it all caps and bold. And now what I want is what happens when I hover over it. What I want is for the icon to change colors when I hover it. So let's click here at the little arrow and click on hover, and then let's choose this one. And it will show you the state where it is when you hover. And let's test that and see how that's going. Okay, and where I hover, you see that it changes color. You could also change the title's color, but we're not going to do that right now. Okay, so now we have the hover and the color changes, but now we want it to move. So let's go to transform, and you can change this in size, you can change the position of it, or rotate it, skew it, or change the origin from it. What we're going to do is on hover, which is this one, click here on the arrow. On hover, we want it to go up a little bit. So we're going to unlink this, and then here we're going to do, and this is not the one that I want, it's this one. Okay, we're on hover, and on this one we'll go minus, let's go minus 30, and see it go up. And let's save it. And let's refresh here. And now when you hover over it, it changes color and it goes up and down. Now, in order to get more of these, you can just duplicate them and put them in these columns and change the icons. Let's duplicate this one and change the icon so you have something different here. Let's go pick the icon, image and icon. Let's add, no, that doesn't look good, this one. And what else can we do with the blurb module? Let's see. The signs options are varied. You can change the text for the whole module, or you can change for the title and the body text that you have. You can change the size of the container in which you have it. You can add padding or margining to it to add spaces below or above or on the sides to it. You can add a border to your module. Let's add here border width. You can add that, and you can add shadows to the box as well. Anything that you can do with a normal module, for example, an image and text module, you'll be able to do here as well. And in advanced, you can change the you can add custom CSS on it, and it's really a handy little module, and I love it because it comes up a lot in the modern designs that you find, and you'll find that you'll be using this quite a bit. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the blurb module.